To work with a multi-accounting browser efficiently, you'll need proxies. They allow you to spoof your real IP address, so websites see a different IP for each of your profiles. Octo Browser allows you to use built-in proxies or connect external proxies from third-party services to your profiles. Verified proxy services and great proxy deals are available on our website. In this video, we'll cover connecting and managing proxies in Octo Browser. You can purchase proxies from verified providers directly in Octo Browser. The built-in proxy shop is available on all subscriptions. First, you need to purchase proxy traffic from one of the providers. Click Buy Proxy or go to the Proxies tab. Choose a provider from the list and click Top Up. Then, select the desired traffic volume. Use funds from your Octo account balance or choose a different payment method. Then click Buy Traffic. Once you've purchased proxy traffic, you can create new proxies. On the Providers tab, click Add Proxy. Choose the desired geolocation and the number of proxies to be created. Please note that all proxies from a single provider share the same password. Keep this in mind when sharing proxy access. In the traffic history, you can view the traffic usage and top-up data for the corresponding provider. You can also add built-in proxies directly from the profile list. Click on the corresponding proxy cell and choose the desired provider from the drop-down list. Create a new proxy and it will be immediately assigned to the corresponding profile. Built-in proxies can also be added in the profile creation and editing windows. The process is the same as when adding proxies directly from the profile list. Proxies that are added to a profile without being saved in the Proxy Manager are called temporary. You can create an unlimited number of such proxies with any Octo subscription. To quickly add a temporary proxy, click on the proxy cell in the profile list. Choose Set a new proxy. Fill in the required fields manually or use Quick Paste. To do so, paste the proxy data into the host field using one of the accepted formats, which you can find by following the link in the video description. You can also specify a URL for IP address change. Click Check Proxy to test the connection. If it is successful, you'll see the flag of the proxy's country, IP address, and a button to view connection details. If you specified an IP change URL address, a button for IP change will appear when you hover over the proxy cell in the profile list. You can also set a temporary proxy without opening the profile settings window. Simply click on the proxy cell and paste the proxy data from the clipboard into the input line. If the proxy data string format is correct, the proxy will be connected to the corresponding profile instantly. Temporary proxies can also be added when creating or editing a profile. The process is the same as with the profile list. The Proxy Manager is a section that contains saved proxies, allowing you to conveniently select them from a list when needed. The maximum number of saved proxies depends on your subscription. There are several ways to save a proxy. In the Proxies section, click Add Proxy. Enter a name and proxy details. Don't forget to click Confirm. The newly created proxy will appear in the Saved Proxies list. You can also save proxies directly in the profile list. When assigning a new proxy to a profile, check the Save to the Proxy Manager box. Enter a name and click Confirm. The proxy will now appear in the Proxy Manager. The same can be done in the profile creation and editing windows. Octo Browser also supports bulk proxy import. To add proxies in bulk, go to the Proxies section and click Bulk Add. You can either drag and drop a TXT file with your proxy list or paste multiple proxy strings into the import window. Make sure they follow the correct format as shown in the example. You can also assign names to proxies. Then click Confirm. Now you can connect saved proxies to your profiles. To add a saved proxy to a profile, click the proxy field in the profile list. Select the desired proxy from the list, or find it using the search bar. When editing or creating a new profile, you can also connect a proxy from the list of proxies previously saved in the Proxy Manager. When you launch a profile or check a proxy, you'll see a flag icon. This indicates the geolocation of the IP address. If in the Fingerprint tab of the profile settings, you set geolocation to Based on IP, the device's geolocation will be spoofed to match the proxy's geolocation. However, this only works if websites use the Geolocation API to determine your location. In all other cases, websites determine the location based solely on the proxy IP address. To do this, they match the IP address with their internal database of IP addresses. Octo Browser's databases are maximally compatible with Google's. Note that checker platforms may sometimes show different locations depending on the particular database they use. If you have any further questions, please consult the documentation in our knowledge base by following the link in the video description. You can also contact our customer service directly in the browser, on the website, or by using our Telegram bot. Subscribe to the Octo Browser channel to be the first to see new Octo tutorials.